Hello and welcome back, guys. Today, we can discuss the top-selling rice cookers nowadays, which are also known as the lifesavers of working people who struggle to make a healthy meal every day. So let's dive straight into the video. And also, please check out the descriptions of all the products' links. CUCKOO CRT-RPK0670WUS. The huge 12-cup capacity of this rice cooker makes it ideal for entertaining small family gatherings or a few guests. Its unique multi-cook function lets you make a wide range of dishes, including oatmeal, quinoa, white rice, GABA rice, porridge, sticky rice, burnt rice, baby food, and more, with just 13 menu options. With features including easy-to-use digital controls, a contemporary LCD display, a rice measuring cup supplied for accurate measurement, and fuzzy logic technology, which cooks rice perfectly every time. You can prepare meals with ease. Cooking and cleanup are also a breeze thanks to its removable excess water drainage tray, auto-clean feature that steam cleans the inside of your cooker, and non-toxic, non-stick inner pot with exceptional durability. Asia Panda. This Panda is perfect for tiny kitchens, single people, or couples because of its compact size and high usefulness. Its capabilities, which include a quick cook option for when you want the rice cooked a little faster, use sophisticated fuzzy logic technology to control the temperature for the effective cooking of all different types of rice, including long grain, short grain, and brown rice. Panda is engineered to cook rice in at least 7 stages, resulting in consistently excellent rice that preserves nutrition, flavor, texture, and aroma. Panda's AI processor manages all temperature adjustments thanks to phased cooking, saving you the trouble. Also, it has a 24-hour automatic keep warm feature that maintains rice at the perfect serving temperature until it's time to serve. During the cooking cycle, there is a countdown indication. When the rice is cooked, a beep sounds, and the cooker switches to keep warm mode automatically. The ideal temperature for healthy rice storage is this keep warm setting. Besides, a smart button control panel features a huge, clear, bright LED display and is packed inside an incredibly cute thermopolymer body with a white carry handle. COSORI. This rice cooker comes with a fuzzy logic MyCom technology built into a computer chip that automatically adjusts temperatures for environmental factors like humidity and heat for consistent results. For less sogginess and the perfect textures, its top and bottom heating components with temperature sensors prevent condensation from leaking back onto your rice. Here, you have the option of medium or short grain rice, sushi or sweet rice, long grain rice, or porridge, such as congee. You can also select between soft, standard, and hard textures for your white rice. Apart from that, the automatic 24-hour delay timer and 24-hour keep warm features let you to savor warm, fresh rice whenever you choose. Dishwasher safety is offered for all attachments, including the removable lid and non-stick inner pot. Its guided touch display, bright LED countdown, and easy-to-read measuring indications make cooking rice a breeze, and an alert tone lets you know when it's done. Cuchen CRT-RPK0670WUS. With 2.1 ATM, this is the first ultra-high heat pressure cooker from Korea. The ideal temperature for rice flavor is produced by a specialized in the mixed grain rice. It boasts all the latest innovations, like voice navigation, automatic cleaning, pressure induction heating, power saving mode, easy detachable stainless clean cover, premium coating, black 121 inside pot, and one-touch quick menu buttons. 3 layers make up the inner pot's premium dyeing coating, which has several benefits like as resistance to high temperatures and pressure, scratch resistance, and a non-stick surface. Apart from that, the power lock system offers a safe cooking experience even at high temperatures and pressures. Iris USA. Popular in Japan, this rice cooker only takes 3 simple steps to prepare delicious rice. You can select the setting, press the start button, and then just wait. For restaurant-quality rice, the pressurized chamber drastically cuts down on cooking time. Rice cooked in the low-carb mode absorbs more water thanks to the pressurized chamber, which makes the rice fluffier than it would in a standard rice cooker, and a further 13.6% reduction in the carbohydrate content. It is a multi-purpose device with characteristics including pressure cook, slow cook, waterless cook, temperature cook, rice grain cook, sear pan fry, steam, ferment, and warm that can be used on top of a rice cooker. This movable device is ideal for cooking meals for 2 to 3 people and is lightweight, making it simple to cook or reheat food in the kitchen or at the table. Aroma Housewares ARC363NGB. With the flip of a button, you can make restaurant-quality rice, nutritious meals, and mouth-watering one-pot recipes with this Aroma 6-cup pot-style rice cooker. Aroma transforms kitchen time into your time by removing the cook element from home cooking. You can assist the children with their schoolwork, engage in imaginative play, or begin reading the book you've been meaning to for a while, all the while serving delicious, filling, and healthful meals that the whole family will enjoy. The small capacity of this handy cooker cooks 2 to 6 cups of rice of any kind to perfection. There's no need to watch or steer because the rice will automatically switch to keep warm once it's done. It's also excellent with soups, chili, oats, jambalaya, and a ton of other dishes. Meanwhile, the inner cooking pot and its accessories are removed for simple dishwashing cleanup after cooking is finished. When given the chance, the best rice cookers can prevail over haters of single-use equipment, as well as purists who believe they prefer the stovetop technique. Thus, this is our comprehensive, concise rundown of the top-selling rice cookers for 2024. For more details, view the full video on our channel.